Find a Windows 10 ISO to install it in a virtual machine. I know how to install an ISO in VirtualBox or VirtualPC, but I don't know where to find a Windows 10 ISO file. Microsoft provide a tool to download Windows 10, but it seems that it's only usable to upgrade a running Windows. I launched the tool with my Windows 7. Where can I find Windows 10 ISO file?
Microsoft now provides Windows 10 Test VMS for Hyper-V, VMware and VirtualBox. Follow these steps. Navigate to this URL. Under Virtual Machine select Microsoft Edge on Windows 10. Under Select Platform, select the virtualization technology of choice. Download the zip file. Unzip the VM and import it into your virtualization platform. This VM will allow you to test Windows 10 for up to 90 days. You can activate the VM by entering your Windows product key, which will eliminate the 90-day limit.
There's another option to download the ISOs from Microsoft. You just have to either use a non-Windows PC, Linux, Mac, Android, whatever, or use a user agent spoofer tool so Microsoft's website thinks you're not in Windows. I use this one for Chrome, this URL, user agent switcher for Chrome. The reason is that if they see you use Windows, they'll offer you their downloader exe, which can only download to drive C, and if it's full, which is usual when using a small SSD drive as the main one, you can't download even if you have a secondary drive with several free TBS, since you can't choose another drive. If their site thinks you're not on Windows, they'll offer you direct download links to the ISOs valid for 24 hours. The URL to get the ISOs is this one. Remember to use a spoofer or a non-Windows device or you won't be able to get the links to the ISOs from this page, and we'll get links to the tool instead. This URL.
I've been using a few methods to download an ISO. The same page that provides the media creation tool will give you an ISO download when you're not running Windows. Edge trivially lets you fake being an iPad in developer mode, Ctrl-Shift-I, then pick some non-Windows device under Dimensions. More recently, while it's a third-party tool, I've been using the Universal Media Creation tool, since it lets me pick specific builds, and patches out some of the Windows 11 TPM checks, in case I want to run a VM on an older version for some reason.
Microsoft